Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Blue Majik Spirulina extract. So this is a vibrant and unique supplement that's derived from blue-green algae, and it's known for its potential health benefits. I think that it is packed with essential nutrients and vitamins and minerals and antioxidants, and it's a nutritional powerhouse. So I like to add it to my smoothies in the mornings, or if I make smoothie bowls, I will add it to that. But what really sets Blue Majik Spirulina apart from other spirulinas is its quality. I think that its quality is unmatched, and you can tell from the color. It has this vibrant blue color, but it's an easy and convenient way to boost my daily nutrient intake. And that's my point of view.